if you have new ductwork or old ductwork, you can benefit from AeroSeal. But we block off every vent. We don't want any glue getting into your home. We don't want any glue getting into your system. Setting up the fan box, which is the equipment that actually pushes the air. We have a wand that makes the air and heated glue mixture spray into our lay flat lining, which is just plastic hooked up to your system. And when we close off your ductwork, the only place that that glue has to go is through the cracks and holes that we don't have sealed. Those are the actual leakage throughout your ductwork. So the glue travels to those places and it seals it kind of like a scab. So with AeroSeal, when we seal that up, you're not putting air where you don't want it. Therefore, the room that you're trying to heat or cool, it's going to get at that temperature faster. Your system is going to work less at this point, which means your system is going to last longer. Because I mean, the less it works, the longer it's going to last, because it's not working as hard.